playing a win or go game with Ronde on Jefferson. So I said, what a great opportunity for us to learn about ourselves. So I said, let's just grab this opportunity. Go out there, play hard. We just wrote in the board, compete. Compete. If we lose, we lose. But at least we're not going to go down without a fight. And credit to the guys, they just gave it their all. Cramps na si Ray, cramps na si Calvin, Ronde. I was really worried about that dive in the first half when he crashed into the wooden cube there. I think that's our definition of compete. So our players went out and they competed. How can you? That's number one. And number two, we finally scored 80 points again in this series. So I think those were the two keys.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Ray, talking about inspiration, we asked about the inspiration si Jason Castro. We know he's still recovering from injury, pero punta siya sa ensayo kahapon. He even went to the game earlier today. And how that impacted the guards like you, kasi kinausap niya kayo in person, you, Calvin, RR, just that inspiration.
Yung pagpunta pa lang ni Jason kahapon sa practice namin, sobrang dagdag ng extra motivation sa amin. Kasi even though wala siya doon sa mga past few games natin, pero yung presence niya na nararamdaman namin and especially kahapon nga sa practice, meron siya mga piece of advice sa amin, especially mga veterans. So which is, yun yung in-apply namin ngayon sa game na to.
We're now ready to entertain questions from me. Anyone?
Congratulations. Alam mo natin na sa past 3 days, maraming usapan ng mga Supreme Court. Una, kumusta yung preparation, how did you address the situation, ano masasabi sa Supreme Court yung tonight?
We didn't. We felt no need to address it. Number one, I wasn't aware kung ano man yung usap-usapan because I don't read those things. I just stayed focused on the task at hand and kung ano man yung usap-usapan sa labas, that has very little value to us. So hindi ko alam whatever that is, so I'm sorry I cannot respond to that. But your question, if kung nag-ayos kami, you can ask Ray. Wala. We had a regular team meeting yesterday and we didn't even need to address it because that's the level of trust in our team. That's our depth. And if we get on each other's nerve, magsigawan kami, magkakapatid nga, magkakapamilya ka, nagsisigawan at nag-aaway, di ba? But that doesn't mean that they're going to break up as a family, right? So that's such a maybe I won't say normal, but like I said, we did not even have to talk about it or address it.
What's your
we just told Boy to focus on shutting off the noise. Yun ang importante sa kanya. And wala ka namang sasabi. I told him of all of our players in this series, he was the one with the highest plus minus in our effort charge. Pinakamataas si Boy. So, but we need it on the floor. So I said, focus, shut off the noise, and because his presence is very important. Luckily, he did just that to me.
I believe you had a one-day break yesterday.
No. Monday.
Did that at least help the team to at least ease the tension?
So that's a regular thing that we do naman. Even in the last finals, when after 4 games, it was also on a Sunday, like 2-all. We also took Monday off. Because I believe in that. Sometimes you need to take a step back and recover. Not only in basketball or sports, but even in life. If we're faced with a lot of problems, instead of trying to bang your head against the problem, against the wall, I think it's a good idea to sometimes just step back. Step back and let things, let the guys get their minds off basketball for a bit. Because I said, I thought the pressure was getting to us. And I said, but kayo na may pressure, nobody expected us to compete against this team. We were not even expected to get to the finals when we lost Jason in game 4 or 5 of the Rain or Shine series. And then who would have thought that they would pass a team like that without last year's finals MVP? So I said, don't let the pressure get to you. So the best way I could show that to them was to give them the day off. You take the day off, relax, recover, recharge, and then we came into the test yesterday. We just talked about what we needed to do for it.
What's the rationale sa team to always put up foul every in their session?
This is the number 1 4-point shooting team in the league, I think. So, ang daming titira ng 4 points dyan. Justin, Holt, Stephen, at Oronjay. So, we didn't want to give them that opportunity anymore. So, we just play the percentages with the foul.
Sa lalaki, may kumusta yung
Ulikat lang to, kasama sa intense ng game. Kasi, yun nga, ngayon pa lang ako ulit nakapag-finals after how many years. Nakarin ko sa PBA, so iba yung crowd, iba yung intensity sa game. So siguro naninibago yung katawan mo. But okay naman, manageable naman yung crowds ko, kaya naman makapag-practice bukas.
So, ang 2 point, you got 3 early fouls. Ano nangyari? Ano masabi sa fouls? Ano masabi sa nag-respond ng mga players? Wala kang masabi sa
Well, that was part of our pregame talk. I said, just be aggressive, play hard. If you're fouled, if you're called for a foul, then foul, and we'll just manage it the rest of the way. So, when we got picked up those 3 early fouls, I thought Kelly did a great job off the bench. And even when we had to rest Kelly, Glenn came, and I think Glenn made a really good game tonight. So we were not surprised, we were not bothered by it, because our objective was to get into Ginebra's, to disrupt Ginebra's offensive flow with some tough defense. And when you do that, you're more prone to giving up fouls. But like I said, we were able to manage it, and we were able to keep it on the court, especially in the end.
What's your pag-communicate? So, kasi narado ba na ngayon sa natin, or how did that happen?
Talaga naman gusto niya pumunta, pero talagang nahihirapan siya eh. Until yesterday, naka-crutches na siya, may walker pa. So, hirap. And then, yung meeting room pa namin, nasa 2nd floor. So, 15 minutes na kami doon, walang station. Ang baga talaga ng lakad. But, Coach Josh spoke to him the day before, because Jason is always giving us a lot of his insights. So, nag-usap sila, and then sinabi nga niya that he thinks that he's fit enough to walk. Kasi hindi naman i-walk yung kotse hanggang sa aakyat pa, bababa pa. So kaya niya kahapon, so dumating na siya.
Congratulations to you, Coach. Basically, in the first half, you guys were playing catch up, and in the second half, with the money. And then, in the fourth quarter, they were really open with the team sessions with the money. What did you tell your boys between the second and third period and the fourth period?
I think we were down by 4 points at halftime. And I said that was just Scotty's last second 3-point shot, and then yung nag-Wolskin kay Mav, naipit si Ray, another 3-point shot. So those were 6 points. Kung hindi nangyari yun, then we wouldn't have been down by 4. So I said, relax na. Stick to the game plan, be disciplined in our execution. And I said, we can, as long as we don't get rattled and focus on what we need to do. Yun ang pinag-usapan namin at halftime. We had 24 minutes. It's a lot of time to be able to come back. So, that was the story.
And that concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations, mga gentlemen. Good night.
Dami pang mahabol eh.
Pahinga na kami. Thank you.